It is 4 a.m. Do we care though? No. We would rather watch Se So Yun. I hope I'm saying that right. Jesus Christ. We're gonna watch the music video for Midnight Train. I've said this before on the other video. This song, it made me want to go on vacation, bro. I had to start a whole new playlist for it. I really do love it, but I haven't seen the music video. So we gonna watch it cause like we stand, we love that. Oh, maybe I shouldn't say stand. Some people go crazy over that. I've gotten in confrontations. We love. We gonna say that. But anywho, we're gonna watch Midnight Train. I love this song. Y'all gonna see me smiling too much myself. Okay, let's go. Oh, and caption, please. 어디쯤 왔을까? 우리의 밤은 여길까? 난 가끔 정말 모든 게 무서워. Her, it's the deep voice for me. Let me stop. I'm not going home. Oh, that's what she's saying. Real night to realize. Oh no. Where the light goes. So is he being bullied? I'm confused. Why did dude kick your bag, bro? Ooh, bananas. What are we looking at? He's the only one in color in that scene. Did I catch that right? What is this? Ooh, that is crystal clear water. What is that? They sent the little boy to go fetch something. And now we in like a... Oh, it's an egg? I thought it was something else. I thought this was sci-fi. What is this, the AAA meeting? That probably ain't something to joke about. Let me stop. If you're going through that, you're doing great. What? This is about Midnight Train. What is it? The visuals. I didn't understand the last video either. So, I'm kind of not surprised. What was that? I'm terrified. Oh, that's them. Okay. They really be trying to scare me. Don't scare me away. I love y'all. I gotta know y'all's names. Amazing song. Jesus Christ. Everything. Everything. Did my dude just get revived? You being drowned? What is that? What is this meeting? I don't even think the lyrics were helping. I was kind of reading them as best as I could. I love that song. Okay. Absolutely love that song. Oh, they have another official video? I might look into that one. Let me go ahead and save that. Anywho, I love that song. I've already said it about 50 million times, but I truly do. I'll be jamming to that. Anyways, I don't think I'll ever understand one of their videos. Ever. And it's sad because I feel like they really talk about something deep, and even with the captions, I don't know what they say. I don't know what they talk about. What are you referring to? What are you referring to? But I like them. We really do. We really love. Y'all should have more views. What the heck? Anyways, what was it? If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, or whatever. And we'll probably listen to more of them because I do see something that was uploaded about 10 months ago. 1.8 million. My girl is getting up there. Or one girl, 2 boys. Okay. Anywho, we love. And that's a banger. Don't know what the music video was about. You have a great day. I don't even know if I ended that right. You have a good one.